I'm gonna work on something I saw. It's called a flake steak, and it's just a fun way of preparing and prepping the beef before you cook it. I'm starting with a New York strip. I'm gonna cut off that hard fat cap on the edge. I just want nice, lean strips of beef. High heat cooking oil. I've got this Graza frizzle and a bit of salt and pepper. I've got my Blackstone on high heat because I wanna cook this fast and furious. Very simple seasoning, really high heat. We want that sear on the outside, but because we already cut it into strips, it's gonna cook much, much faster. While our steak is cooking, let's get to our little glaze. Now, I don't want to add the glaze too soon because I do have a bit of ponzu. I've got some rice wine vinegar and a bit of mirin. Now, there is a decent amount of sugar in here, so if you go too soon, it will definitely burn on the griddle top. So once I get my sear, I'm gonna glaze with a bit of this. I've got some shiitake, some oysters, and some button mushrooms cooking in that beef fat. And because we're on a flat top, our beef can continue to cook in that little puddle of sauce. I first saw this video. I saw someone make this online. I just love the idea of sticks and stacks.
Okay, so should we try that now?
Yeah, let's do it. All right.
So off the stick.
Oh, yeah. The glaze at the end, that's a fun trick.